So here we are with the Desle or Desle, hard to pronounce, determine what the pronunciation is. 3D floor mats for Tesla Model 3. I'm just cutting this open, haven't seen them yet. These are about 120 bucks on Amazon. Previously, for my 2019 Model 3, I had some 3D printed ones, and they work great. And so let's see what these things look like. They look great in the photos. So there we go. Let's pull this out and get rid of the box. The box is gone. Lovely. So this is about 120 Canadian, so about maybe 100 US. Yeah, these look great. So these are shaped. Okay, so here they are. This looks good to me. Doesn't smell. Nope. This 3 does pull out, but it's in with double-sided tape, which is really crappy. So I'm going to leave it in there because otherwise I'm going to clean it out. So that's drivers, passengers, nice and deep, good channels. It's good. And here I've got the rear as a single, and yeah, it looks great. So let's jam at the car, find out what it comes out like. Do the back seat first. All right, nice and dark in there, so you can't see very much. Let's just throw this in, see what it comes up like. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move the seats forward. So I'll do that. All right, so back to it. I'll just hook this in, slide it under. Yep, looks like it's gonna be fine. Let's see how tightly that fits. All right, so let's slide this up. Looks like that's got to go up a bit. Yeah, that's fine over there. Boy, that fits very nicely. I could probably jam that under actually, and I think I'm going to. I think I can jam that under. Yes, I can. Look at that. So that is going to fit even better. Yeah. Maybe not. Okay, so that fits nice and tight. Very good fit. The only problem is that little fold there, which I don't really consider it a problem. It's just what it is. Yeah, so that's great. Very happy with the fit. Let's check out the front now. Let's get the front going. All right, so just before we insert these, one of the things they promote is that the back is finished properly and that it could clip in. And yeah, this looks just great to me. It looks very professional. I don't see any odd injection mold issues or weird crud.
We'd like to interject for just a few seconds and ask you to click like, and if you like this type of thing, please click subscribe. Both of those things make a huge difference in the Google algorithm. We mostly talk about electric vehicles, the energy industry, and high technology. And we take on both sides of issues. We try to stick with facts. Thanks. Back to the show.
Well, let's just put the driver's one in right now. It's not very striking. All I've done so far is move the seat back. And yeah, it fits in, as you might expect, like a glove. So there you go. There's nothing to do, nothing to clip. That's beautiful. Let's get the passenger side in now. Okay. Yeah, just flop it in. There we go. Seats. All right, so in they are. Nice and snug all the way around. Nice deep fit. No gaps. No smell. That number 3 can come out, as I've said, except I actually have a white Model 3, so I actually don't mind it for some reason. I don't hate it anyway, let's go with that. I might pull it out later, but for now it's okay. So there are lots of other brands you can buy, including the Weathertech. I priced the Weathertech at 400 Canadian, and while I I don't mind Weathertech, I've used them in the past, and they make a fine product. I don't understand you can justify $400 for some rubber plastic, you know, TP plastic mats. These were about $100 US, as opposed to Weathertech at about $300 US, and these are excellent. As far as I can tell so far, I can't imagine how I would have problems with them. It's not like they're going to leak or you know, scuff or something weird. I mean, I'm quite certain that these are just as good as anybody else's high quality, no smell, rubbery, plasticky floor mats. If you like this video, found it useful, please click like, and if you like this type of thing, please click subscribe. They both very much help with Google algorithm, would really appreciate it. And you can always get a hold of us at www.partisanissues.com or leave your comments below and we will get back to you shortly, usually within a day or so. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.